Wow, Coffee Time friends, how y'all doing? I bet y'all are doing what we're doing. Eating leftovers from the 4th and the 5th. Y'all look a little blurry. Let me clean off your glasses. That's better. We've got baked beans reheated. We've got macaroni salad brought in. Here comes some pea salad. And we've got fresh lemonade. I just got choked on a little bit of lemonade before y'all got here. There's a whole tray of homegrown tomatoes.
You don't want that much.
Something just come out of the microwave. Is this what y'all are doing? Heating up, getting out. Ooh, that's a whole pan of onions. I need to make onion casserole. Let me show them the onion. We fixed up a bunch.
Well,
And
a
we
bunch
made
didn't show up. It was supposed to.
We fixed up a bunch and we probably got a few extra. But we're going to do everything we can to keep everything from going over the hill or under the bridge, whatever it goes. So that's what we're doing today. Mama, come over and say hi to everybody. We're not going to stay, well, I mean, really, to watch us heat leftovers. That Mama look pretty today.
Yeah.
Still celebrating.
4th. Red, white, and blue. That's what you do.
Mama, this
I'm
may
so
be
proud of our freedom that I celebrate it all the time.
this may be the best lemonade you ever fixed.
Well, listen, you say that about every time I
It's the
make
best
it.
I've had. I'll put it that way.
Best you had this year, ain't
I guess it is.
it?
You've not made it.
Not this is the first time this year.
7 months in, just now get my first lemonade.
Ooh, that's sad.
The macaroni salad still looks good. I never can understand. We'll have food and we'll have a bunch of people come and eat and they'll take plates home. And we still end up with leftovers.
A bunch of leftovers.
We gotta do better, Mama. We're gonna have to start.
Well, if my other sister and her family had got to come, we wouldn't have as much left.
No, it's not. We still had a bunch. Seems like.
Yeah.
Hope y'all have had a great 4th of July. I hope y'all are doing something today. The weather here, it's pretty, but it's hot. It's 95 degrees. It's hot, real hot. So stay cool. We were cool yesterday. We had air conditioning. 4th of July, we were blessed with air conditioning. So we've not suffered any.
We've not been outside.
We were going to do a fire pit yesterday. I said, I'm not building a fire. It's hot enough. Mama said, oh, don't build a fire. They won't be nobody here for no fire pit. And nobody wanted to go out there. So it was a good time. We enjoyed it. And I think everybody had a good time.
Yeah, I
And
enjoyed it.
For me and you, Mama, I guess the good times are going to roll on because I see you got all food. Get out here to warm.
Yeah.
We're just warming plates and bowls. You know how you do. And we will try our best to eat this before it all goes bad. But I am going to have to make something oniony.
Onion cornbread.
I can do onion and squash casserole one day evening.
Yeah.
I can't just sit and eat all them onions.
And you know, I don't eat them much.
No? So,
It's up to you.
it's up to me. I could boil them.
Make onion soup.
Like onion. Oh, yeah, they could do a French onion soup. That's until what we'll get into. Let's see what y'all are saying. French onion soup. Kim, you just said it. Deanna, we love you too. Prayers for Texas. Yeah, Texas has
Oh,
some
they're so sad.
horrible weather, floods. It's been awful. It's been a bad day for Texas, they said, and it was just horrible. So give them some prayers, and y'all have a great week. Long weekends, just short weekends anymore. They'll go by so quickly. But do pray for all those that have had hardships during this holiday. And y'all get you something good to eat, make you some memories,
That's right.
and do something today and rest. I know y'all are wore out because you all are like us. 4th came on a Friday. Saturday was the next day. So let's just extend it on out and do 2 days. Sometimes if there's a break in between the weekend and the holiday, people just sort of do the one day. But this time, We went full-fledged for 2 days. didn't
Yeah, we did.
we
But
did.
it was enjoyable.
It was wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
It really was. Mama made the macaroni salad yesterday, and I think it's got all kinds of views. Thank you all.
Thank you so
I
much.
told Mama, I said, I think I'm just going to start being your camera guy.
Oh, no, you're not either.
You did good, Mama. You did real good. So we thank you. So
Thank you so
spread
much.
us out there. Mama likes to see 200,000. That's her goal. So
I
you all
keep pushing it on up to the next holiday.
keep
next
liking,
thing.
phone. Maybe her birthday, August 4th. Y'all can get
I tried
200,000.
it last year and didn't make it.
I know. Heartaches and disappointment.
I know it, but that's life. That's just totally life.
All right, Mama, let's get to heating and then we'll
Yeah.
get to eating.
Mm-hmm.
Say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. Have a good one.